Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and into another vlog. We are approaching the final days of our holiday here in Mauritius, but before we go, a must-see attraction is the Casela Nature Park, which is a zoo with a few outdoor activities within it. We are here at about 10 AM on a Sunday. Our Mauritian friend has already bought our general admission tickets online the night before, so all we need to do now is buy the activity tickets only. But first we are off to the petting zoo to feed some animals. The time has come for us to take the shuttle bus to go to the Nepalese bridge and the zipline activity. We get to a different section about 10 minutes away from the main area and get strapped into the harnesses ready to go. First, we walk across the bridge, which apologies for the angle you are at. I had you on my chest as I needed both hands to hold the rope. The view is great, looking downwards and all around, but with the amount of swaying, I didn't feel like stopping and letting go of the rope was a good idea.
Who's bouncing it?
Then we hopped into the ziplines, going on about 5 in total. After that, we headed back to the main area for an ice cream break. This one was called a unicorn and it was really yummy. The yellow was mango, the red was watermelon and the white was lychee flavour. We walked around to see more animals, as our eco bike tour was still about 45 minutes away. Again, we hopped on another shuttle bus to get us to the right area for the eco bikes. We each drove one, which was really easy to steer and control. We followed the guide in a single file line and ventured into the safari zoo area. Here we got to see some really cool animals and some we even got quite close with. This tour was so much fun and I highly recommend it. And last but not least, on the way back to the main area, we hopped onto the Talaka ride, which is this tame little roller coaster where you can see some really nice views and get a little bit of a thrill.
We're going up. Oh my god. I'm nervous. I hope the drop's not that big. Oh my god. Ah, it's not too bad. Oh my god. Oh, brake, 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 brake. I'm scared.
It's the next day and my husband has gone out on another fishing trip with the boys, so I'm having another chill day, which honestly, I really love. I started off with a massage after breakfast and then hopped between the jacuzzi and the pool the entire day, reading my book in between, which I finished actually. When my husband came back, we enjoyed some drinks at the rooftop bar after dinner and called it a night. Good morning, it's the last day and we are all packed ready to go. Our flight isn't until 10 p.m. tonight, so we still have a whole day to utilise. First, we went back to Port Louis to see the umbrella area we missed last time and did some shopping. Then we went to find a particular noodle shop I was hoping we could try, but turns out it was closed, so we had something else close by instead. From here, we decided to Google points of interest to see on the fly until it was time to hand the rental car back and fly home.
Not the best shoes for this.
And that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more from me. Have a lovely day and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!